Hello students, today we will discuss about simple linear equations in one variable. Definition of a linear equation. Let me tell you what is linear. Linear means line, and equation, which means any polynomial equals to constant number, is called equation. So let's see what definition of linear equation it has been said here. A linear equation in one variable x is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus b equals to 0. Here a and b are real numbers. Real number means you can put any numbers like 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, -3, etc. But one condition is there. In place of a, we cannot put 0. Why? Because 0 into x will become 0. So at that time, it will be no more equation in linear form. That is why in place of a, we cannot put 0. Apart from 0, we can put any other number. During this linear equation, we need to remember about interchange of signs. When plus sign goes into opposite side, it becomes negative. Similarly, negative also becomes into positive. Similarly, in the same way, multiplication sign, it converts into division sign, and division sign also converts into multiplication sign. Here are three equations. First one, -4 equals to 2x plus 6. We have to find out the value of x. Second one, -14 equals to 3x minus 2. Here also we have to find out the value of x. And third one, 4x minus 3 equals to 2x plus 7. So here also we have to find out the value of x. So in every equation you can see that there is only one variable, that is x. Okay, so let us solve example number 1, that is -4 plus 2x equals to 6. So our target is just to find out the value of x. So apart from x, we will take all the numbers in opposite sides. So first we can see -4. So sign of 4 is negative. So when it will go in opposite side, it will become positive. So in the very next line, you can see 2x equals to 6 plus 4, which means 2x equals to 10. Now what is the relation between 2 and x? Product. If there is no sign, means multiplication sign is there. So already we know when product sign goes in another side, it becomes division. So next step will be x equals to 10 divided by 2, which means x equals to 5. So the required solution of x is 5. Example number 2, we will solve in the same way. So the question is given -14 equals to 3x minus 2. So in this equation we can see that x is there in the right hand side. So we can leave x in the right hand side only. So let us take -2 from right hand side to left hand side. So what will happen? -14 plus 2 equals to 3x. Now -14 plus 2. Two opposite signs are there. Already I told you, whenever two opposite signs will be there, operation will be subtraction. So if we subtract, it is coming 12. Now which number is bigger? 14. So its sign will come. So finally it will be -12 equals to 3 into x. So again 3 and x, what is the relation? Product. So when 3 will come in opposite side, it will become divide. So -12 divided by 3. So therefore x equals to -4. Example number 3. 4x minus 3 equals to 2x plus 7. Here we can see that x is there for 2 times, right? So let's see, we can take all variables in one side and all constant numbers in another side. So 4x minus 2x, why minus 2x? Before 2x there is no sign, plus sign is there, it means. So when we will take 2x in another side, it will become negative automatically. So 4x minus 2x is equal to 7 plus 3. So 4x minus 2x, which means 2x, equals to 7 plus 3, which means 10. So again we will proceed the same process, that is x equals to 5. So the final answer will be, the solution of x is 5.